Hi everyone, this is Meryl and welcome back to the Artistry Corner. This video is part of a fun collaboration called Coasting Through the Week with other amazing YouTube creators. You'll find their channels linked in the description down below, so be sure to check them out and see what coaster projects they've created. I hope everyone had a nice Thanksgiving and is looking forward to this holiday season. I love creating during this special holiday and I can't wait for you to see what I will be handcrafting. It will not be just working with resin. You'll see me working with polymer clay, tumblers, jewelry, sublimation, and many other mediums and artisan tools. For today, I'm creating a beautiful set of Christmas Bulb Resin Coasters. So if you love resin art, Christmas crafting, and glittery holiday projects, this one's for you. So without further ado, let's get started. These are the products I'll be using today. Bulb coaster molds, 4 of them. The stand, Artisa premium acrylic colors in red, gold, royal blue, green, and silver. And also going to be using the Homer's chunky glitters and the Let's Resin chrome marker. And I'm thinking about maybe adhering some of these goldy Merry Christmas stickers on the coasters. Not sure yet. I also got the Mateo mica powder, which is more sparkle, but who knows, I might not need it. But let me get this out of the way and get my table all set up so we can get this going. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm thinking about painting the tops of the bulbs silver now, and then probably chrome after. Yeah, let's do that. I just sprayed with alcohol, but I don't think any of the alcohol, oh yeah, I got on this one. Okay. Okay. Just one coat, because after I'm done, after the coasters are cured, then I'm gonna go over it with my chrome. I could have gone with the chrome now, but it's okay. This looks good. Ooh. I'm just using a number 8 brush. I've already mixed the resin. I'll be using the T-Expert epoxy resin today, 1:1 ratio. All of the products I'm using today will be in the description down below. Okay, time to get them cured. And I'll work on the stand while these are curing. Okay, I have to mix more resin. I didn't mix enough, so I'll be right back. Demolding time. Okay, let's see how they came out. My gosh, they're like coming right out. Oh, look at this. Oh, I don't think it needs anything. Look at that sparkle. Beautiful. Not 100% cured. Well, it's manageable, but I can demold. Let's see. A little bit of overflow there, which is fine. It's a good time to cut and trim around it because it's not fully cured. Oh yeah, almost. Okay, let's see. Gosh, that is beautiful. The only bad thing about these stands is that you can't put any of the corks on the back to protect surfaces. So that, yeah, because this is very snug. But look at them, they came out so beautiful. I don't think they need anything. I don't think they need anything. I'll wait until they're fully cured. I'll take some pictures. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. We have lots of mixed media creative projects here at the Artistry Corner. Happy holidays!